Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a PS5 controller.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be awesome. We love the PlayStation
Yeah.
and the controllers are super cool. We're going to use a marker to draw with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the top of our controller, and we're going to start over here, and we're going to draw a curve going across our paper. We're going up a little and then down, not too curved. Let's draw the sides of our controller now. We're going to start here on the left side, and we're going to draw it curving down, and then right at the end, we're going to curve back in. And the reason why I like starting on the left side for me is because I'm using my right hand. But if our friends are left-handed, they might want to start on the right side so that you can look at this side while you're drawing to try to match. Yeah, to look at the other side to try and match. And that's okay if they're different. We're practicing.
Yes.
All right, and then at the bottom, we're going to draw a short line in on both sides. And then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up on both sides, and we want to match the same. This side's a little bit thicker, but they should be equal. Yeah, okay, now we're going to draw a curve and a straight line, and then curve into the other side. So we're going to draw a curved corner, then we're going to draw it coming straight across, and then curving back in. And there are little bumps here for the joysticks, but we're just going to keep it simple. Okay, and then right here in the corner, we're going to draw one of those joysticks. We'll draw a circle, and then we're going to draw another one over here to match. Try to draw them the same size. Yeah, you can go back over it if you need to change it a little. I'm going to make these a little thicker too. There we go. Next, we're going to draw the center button, the big giant one, and we're going to draw it coming in. We'll draw a diagonal line coming about here. We'll draw it there, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line on this side coming there.
This is the trackpad.
Oh, can you actually use your finger on it?
Yeah.
And move it around?
Yes.
That's pretty cool. Then we're going to curve and come straight across and connect by curving into the other side. Okay, now we're going to draw the left side first. We're going to draw another line that matches that first diagonal line. And then we're going to curve. We're going to draw a curve, and then we're going to curve down to here and then connect in. Then we're going to match that same diagonal line, and then we'll curve around and then down to that side. Now let's also draw a little line here and then connect to the corner, and we'll draw a little one over here. Whoops, getting a little further away and then connecting in. Now we need to add the extra buttons. We're going to draw the D-pad or direction pad over here. Let's first start by drawing the letter V. And then we could also draw a letter V this way too. We'll draw an upside down letter V here. And then we're going to draw sideways letter V's so that they're all pointing to the center. Now we're going to turn these into buttons. We're going to draw an upside down square U. And then we can do a square U here and a sideways rectangle shape on the side ones. Then we got an extra kind of oval button or pill-shaped button right here. What do you think that one is? The camera?
The camera? I can't remember which
one it is. You always press it and it's...
Yeah, I think it's either that one or some other button that I press a lot and
we're still...
on accident.
We're still learning. And then there's another one over here we could draw that's similar. Then we need the circle buttons over here where we have the triangle at the top. And then we have, what's this one? Square. And circle.
Yep.
And then X down at the bottom. And these are really small, so we're barely going to get those symbols in there. Then we also have, I think this is the mic or speaker button.
Yeah.
We could add just a couple dots. I'm going to add 5. And then we can add 4 on the next row in between those first buttons we made. And then there's another button here. What's this? Mute?
The mute one. If you hold it down, it mutes everything.
Nice. We could be wrong on some of these
Yeah, I don't play on PlayStation that often.
Like I said, we're still learning. And then we also need to draw the PlayStation logo.
Yeah.
This one's a little tricky, but we're first going to draw the letter P. So we're going to come up, around, and then we're going to draw it coming back down and connecting. And this line kind of goes up into the P. Then on this side, we can draw a sideways letter U. And then we'll draw a sideways letter U going the other way. And if you can fit it, our Sharpies are kind of thin, you can fit a little line inside. Yeah, we did it. Oh, except we're missing 2 more buttons.
The triggers.
Yeah, on the side, up here. Let's draw a line that comes up, short line on here, and then also over here. And then we can draw a curve connecting those two.
Well, these are actually like the bumpers, I think.
Bumper buttons.
Called bumpers.
Yeah, the
triggers
triggers
are underneath.
Further under. And then we can draw 2 side short lines up here and then a curve connecting them. And we did it, Jack. We finished drawing our controllers, except we're not completely done.
Still need to color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our PS5 controllers. They turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
I hope our friends take time to pause the video and color their drawings also. You can use markers to color with.
Or whatever you have, like color pencils.
Yeah, and we used a bunch of grays to add shading to the white part so that it looks more 3D.
Yeah, we also added a shadow on the paper to make it look like it's sitting on the table.
Yeah, all the way around here at the bottom. Then we used a white colored pencil to add little highlights to the joysticks and also the bumper buttons at the top.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a PS5 controller.
And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.